Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things cooking and baking. Today, I want to talk about an often overlooked but very important aspect of cooking, and that is measuring your ingredients accurately. Measuring ingredients accurately is crucial for many reasons. For one, it ensures that your recipes come out just as they should, every time. If you don't measure your ingredients precisely, it can affect the taste, texture, and appearance of your dish. This is especially true in baking where precision is key. Another reason why measuring ingredients is so important is that it helps you control the portion sizes of your food. By measuring out each ingredient, you can make sure you're not eating more than you should. This can be especially useful if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. So, how do we measure ingredients accurately in the kitchen? Well, the most basic tool for measuring ingredients is a measuring cup. Measuring cups come in different sizes and materials, but the most common type is a standard liquid measuring cup. This type of measuring cup is ideal for measuring liquids such as milk, water, or oil. When measuring solids such as sugar or flour, it's important to use a different type of measuring cup. A dry measuring cup is designed specifically for measuring dry ingredients. It's also important to note that you should never try to measure dry ingredients in a liquid measuring cup, as this can result in an incorrect measurement. In conclusion, measuring ingredients accurately is key to ensuring that your recipes come out perfectly every time. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, investing in a set of measuring cups is a must. So, go ahead and measure your ingredients accurately and enjoy delicious, perfectly portioned dishes every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.